Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be taking a look at a parts list that I just put together, because right now with all of the cryptocurrency mining thing going on, it is really difficult to build a system for a very good price, and if you really want to get into PC gaming you might be struggling. So today I'm gonna show you the best PC you can build for under $1,000. So let's get started. So for our CPU, we're gonna go with the Intel Core i5 8600K. This is a very good processor, and it has 6 cores, which is going to make it perfect for multi-threaded performance. For example, it's going to be very good for editing or anything like that, but it is also going to be perfect for gaming, since it has very good single-threaded performance, and obviously it is overclockable. So if you're not satisfied with the performance, you can always overclock it. And here we come to our cooler, which is going to allow us to actually overclock our processor a little bit, and this is a very classic one, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. Nothing new about it, it's just a very good cooler. Then for our motherboard, we're going with the MSI Z370 Gaming Plus. This is a very good motherboard, and it is going to allow us to overclock our CPU, get some good overclock, solid overclocks, and it has quite a few features too for the price. Now for our RAM, we're going with G.Skill Riches. At this point I recommend you to get whatever the lowest price memory you can find, because the prices have gone very high up, and you probably already know that. Just try to stick with 2400 megahertz memory. I would say that this is the absolute lowest you should go, because if you go lower you'll be losing on performance. For our drives, we're going very basic, just a 1 terabyte Western Digital Caviar Blue hard drive. And then for a graphics card, this was quite a bit tricky, because prices right now on the graphics card sites are going crazy. Prices have literally doubled, and you can't really find one for a very good price. If you're willing to wait a bit, I would recommend you to build the rest of the system, and then once the prices are lowered a bit, and probably new graphics cards will come out, so that's gonna lower the prices. Also, AMD said that they'll be producing more cards in order to help with the demand on the market, and that's going to definitely reduce the prices. So if you're willing to wait, I would definitely recommend you to build the rest of the system and buy a graphics card later. But for this occasion we're going with a GTX 1060. It's unfortunately only a 3 GB card, because at this price point we can't really afford anything else. For our case here, I tried to save quite a lot of money as well. We're going very basic. This case is the Rosewill Viper Z, and it's a very basic case, although it has a Windows side panel, and it comes with a few fans, and that's gonna be quite good for a system. Now for the last piece of the puzzle, our power supply is going to be an EVGA 450 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. I always recommend you to buy something that has an 80 plus certification, because otherwise you don't know what you're buying. And this power supply is very good, and apart from that it has black sleeved cables, which is always very pleasant. So this is it guys for this video. If you're going to check these parts and this parts list, you can click on the link down below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you guys all in the next one.